everyone, it's Helen at Leadoo, just recording this video to show you some quick tips and tricks on editing and creating your bots. So to start with, I'm going to show you the Find and Replace tool. So in the top corner of any bot, when you open it in the editor, you'll see that here. You can open it, and just like within document editors, it works the same. So I want to change book a test drive to request a test drive. So I'm using it just to change some wording in the bot, but of course, same thing can be used for spelling errors just to make it easy for you to find wherever it might appear and change it. So in this case, I've got one instance of that kind of text that I want to change, which is in this first node here. And you can see that it appears in the bottom right there and also highlights the node in yellow. When I select it, it also highlights it in orange. So that way I know which one I'm editing. And if it found multiple ones, they would be listed here, and you can either replace them one by one or replace all if you've got multiple. So if I replace it, there we go, it's done straight away, easy as that. You can also do this to kind of add labels. So at the moment, I don't have a call to action added to that button, and I could do the same here. So maybe I just want to go through and say, I'm going to change that and I'm going to add a label to that. And again, just like with the Find and Replace, you can do it for all kind of instances where that appears within the bot. Equally, if I want to change the label, so I've set it up as accounts, and that's not right. So it's going to find that one, and you can see it's highlighted it in yellow again. Then I want to change it to existing customer. So just like with the Find and Replaced text, I can find and replace that label wherever it appears within that bot. All right, so I'm going to zoom to a different part of here. And if you haven't realized already, you can marquee over like selections of nodes within your bots. So you can use this to either delete or copy paste. So just like with a document editor, again, you can copy paste an entire section of the bot. So you might want to use this just to move to different parts of this one, or you can actually move this into a new one as well. So if you create a fresh bot, you can copy and paste a whole section and just put it there, and then start putting the additions that you want to, either, you know, to the beginning of the bot, maybe you want to open it differently, but ultimately this step is the same. So there's no need to build it from scratch, just copy and paste from here. So as I said, you can also delete sections. But if I've done that by mistake, you can also use Command or Control Z to bring that back again. If you've saved this and want to change what you've done, so let me get rid of this. And if I save this bot, of course I can't use Control Z to then bring back the information again necessarily, especially if I've closed it and reopened it. But what we do have is bot versions. So you can see I can go back to my previous version and it will restore the things that I accidentally removed. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is actually in the bot list. So here I want to show you how you can easily duplicate bots. So we can copy and paste certain sections, but maybe you just want to create a new version of it. So if you go to the Actions button here and just click Duplicate, it will create you a copy of that bot, and then you can just edit the parts you want to there. So again, just making that bot creation quicker for you. But what if you want to change an in-page bot into a chat bot? So in that case, then you can use the copy paste tool to do that. So you don't have to stay within the same bot type if you want to copy paste. So I'm going to open this one up. So this is an in-page bot at the moment. I'm going to copy it over. So I just want that part of it. I'm going to head over into chatbot and I'm going to create a new one there. That's it, just copies and pastes it in exactly. The only thing to bear in mind with this is, especially if you're doing, say, an in-page bot into a visual bot or a visual bot into an in-page bot, that you might lose some content because the way that the nodes displayed are slightly different, but it'll be exactly the same between in-page bot and chat bot. The last thing I want to show you is templates. So you saw it pop up just a brief moment ago. So we do have the option to create your own template. So you can duplicate, you can copy and paste sections, but maybe you just want to save kind of a master version of something. So you can do that just by opening any bot and then clicking save as a template above. Easy as that, and it'll add it to your kind of template library. All right, so that's everything I wanted to show you today. Hope those were useful for you.